A McLaren 765LT went up in flames in Pennsylvania. The fire took place while the car was filling up at a gas station. There were no injuries, except for the owner's broken heart from losing this limited edition machine. Fire department crews were on the scene for 2 hours attempting to put out the fire. They weren't able to quell the flames before the McLaren burned up to a pile of metal and melted plastic. The only body panel that was still recognizable was the hood. The fire department doesn't specify the cause of the fire, but reports suggest it is somehow related to refueling the vehicle. The aftermath indicate that there's going to be no way to repair this car. The monocoque isn't even visible anymore. The only mechanical components still identifiable are bits of the suspension and the exhaust pipes. The 765LT had an original asking price of $358,000. We expect the owner's insurance company isn't too happy about the prospect of settling this claim.